bit of coriander on top. And
coriander is used a lot in many Indian dishes.
That's right.
It's a very popular herb.
That's right. A bit of lemon in it, because lemon goes after too.
And what will you be doing with this?
So what we're going to do is we are going to fry these in deep fry. Then this is actually used for the later stage of the cooking.
So would you like me to get the pan and the oil ready for you?
What's left, and on we'll go.
So as you can see here, the chicken has been done. It's cooked proper. Now it's the next stage of the cooking now.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.
Okay, so as you can see now, the chicken 65 has been frying for a little while. So what's next? What are we doing
So
next?
the next is a hot frying pan.
Okay.
And what we got to do is these ingredients. Remember we said about these ingredients, which is yogurt, curry leaves, garlic, chopped garlic, and the slit chilies.
So you've got some oil in here already?
That's correct.
Okay, and how do you know for sure that chicken's cooked?
So I'm not going to put that chicken in.
Okay.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this chicken in, which is being
Here's
cooked.
one I made earlier.
That's right.
Here's one that Syed made earlier.
That's right. So
Turn the temperature down to that a little bit.
Yeah, go for it.
Okay. Sorry, that was just our little daughter in the background. Just disregard that. Okay, so you're dropping in the yogurt first or chilies first?
The chilies first.
Okay.
Because they take time to do that.
Okay. Okay, so let's show this up just so everyone can see.
There you go.
Okay, so earlier on you asked me what's another word for this, and I remembered. It's called tadka.
Oh, it is tadka.
tadka,
Yes, that's right, tadka. So just in it goes.
So we've got the yogurt and the wow, that smells really good.
So the yogurt goes into.
So would you like me to do a quick test for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
So with me, I'm very organized, and if I just see something like that, I just straight away clean it.
How do we know when this is ready then, Syed? How long are we gonna?
You know, when the oil comes on top,
right.
That means it's done.
Okay, so that's what's happening now.
Yeah.
And if I'll tilt that towards the camera, if you guys can see. So the oil is kind of floating on the top of the yogurt now. So I think that means it's ready.
I would just give it another couple of minutes.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. So with me, I'm sorry, but cleanliness is very important to me. If I just see an untidy kitchen, I can't cook. Can you see the oil?
Yeah,
yeah,
definitely.
So just leave it for like a couple of minutes while this is getting done too. So we can just put these two together.
So I noticed with these chicken 65 pakoras, it's not a very bright red. So I think you're going for more of a natural kind of...
Natural, that's right.
look.
So I always believe in natural food rather than artificial flavors.
And the oil that you're using right now, this is any kind of vegetable oil that will work?
It is a vegetable oil.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you want to just taste it a bit.
You want to taste it now?
Yeah, taste it.
Okay.
Before it goes in there. So see how it just simmers?
Really good. Really good.
See how it simmers?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So when it simmers, it's time for it to go inside, right? So in it goes.
That's amazing. That tastes really good.
Yeah.
So this is going to be coating the chicken 65.
That's right.
So adding some more.
Yeah.
That's heat up a little bit?
Yeah, that's right. That's the whole idea of just a bit of yogurty flavor to our chicken 65.
So I just tilt that upwards so you guys can see at home what it looks like when it's gone through. And so the yogurt's completely coating the chicken now.
That's right.
So how do we get that crispiness back? If we're putting this back into a...
That's why I'm just adding more
now,
chicken to it.
right?
So that the yogurt gets evened out
Okay.
with all the 3
And then you
kilos.
leave this here to fry a bit longer, would you?
That's
So-
right. I would just leave it for another 7 minutes or so,
Okay.
so that it just gets the crispiness back.
All right, so we'll come back to you guys in about 7 or 8 minutes time and show you the finished product. Thank you. Coming back to join us again. So here is our completed dish of chicken 65. And how will we serve this, Syed?
So, just a garnish of coriander.
Yet more coriander.
More coriander.
You can never have too much coriander, I
That's
think.
it. And a bit of onions.
So
on
red
top.
onions.
Red onions. Make sure you only use red onions. And that's a
There
dish
we have it.
ready.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please come back next time where we'll be making some more authentic Hyderabadi dishes. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Hope to see you soon.
See you guys. See you next week.